Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today I'm going to be comparing the Audemars Piguet rose gold 41mm chronograph with the 38mm chronograph. Reference number on the left is 26331 OR.00.1220 OR.01 versus the 38mm rose gold chronograph, reference 26315 OR.00.1256 OR.01. I'm going to talk to you guys about the dial, the bezel, the case, the bracelet, try it on, and give you my thoughts of each. So let's dive right in. On the left, we have a 41mm case from my thumb to my index finger, and on my right it's 38mm. Obviously a 3mm difference comes out to about 10%, and as you can see, yes, obviously the one on the right is smaller than the one on the left. They only make these men's rose gold chronographs at the moment in either 41 or 38. They used to make it in 39, which would come sandwiched in right here in between. I actually have that watch if you guys really want to see it. I guess I could bring it here for just a second. And if you, but if you want to buy any of the, or if you want to buy a rose gold chronograph, it's got to be either 30, at least as of now, it's got to be 38 or 41. And here it is. On the left is 41, in the middle is 39, and on the right is 38. Okay, but anyways, this video is about the comparison between what is in production, because this 39 is out of production. But if you want to buy it, go to jazztime.com and buy it. Okay, so let's talk about the in-production versions. I'm not sure why they discontinued the 39, by the way. It's a very beautiful watch, as you can see here. Why they discontinued it, don't know. Maybe they wanted to have a small and a two sizes instead of one medium size. Who knows? But okay, anyways, we're talking about these two, so let's talk. 41mm on the left and 38mm on the right. Now, those who have a bigger wrist obviously wear a 41. Those with a smaller wrist wear a 38. Now, let's talk about the dial. Now, both of them have basically the same luminescent, and I'm going to show it to you. I have a review of each of these ones in depth, so I'm not going to go to review every little thing about it. This is a video is for comparison, so that you can see the comparison between, because probably if you got the money to buy this, you're trying to decide, should I buy the bigger one or should I buy the smaller one? And I'm here to tell you, show you the comparison so that you can decide at home, because I don't want you to come over to my place and try to try all these on, because we don't have these sitting here for you to try on. You got to actually try it on watch it YouTube and then decide what you want and then pay me for it. So that's why I'm making this video. Alright, it's also not for my health. So look, take a look at the patterns. They're basically the same. They have the tapestry pattern, the grand tapestry pattern. It's the same. And if you look at the subdials right here, it's the same basic subdials. Actually, they are the exact same subdials if you look at them. So the only real difference is here on the left, it's a blue dial, and on the right. Now on the 38mm, they only make it in silver dial, or white as you could call it. But on the blue one, they also make it on the 41mm. They also make it in chocolate. So you have the choice of between blue and chocolate, and this one is blue. Aside from that, the blue and the chocolate aren't any different aside from the color. Okay, now let's talk about the bezel. Now the bezel, you know, it's not much to say. Like I said, the review is what it is. I mostly wanted to show you the comparison in size here, because that's really the biggest part. So there you go on the size. You see how they're right next to each other? Now AB doesn't give dimensions for these bracelets, but you can see obviously on the right hand side it's a little bit smaller, right? This is a side-by-side shot. You see on the right hand it's a little bit skinnier. Now obviously it's 38, one's 41. You got to make it skinny. You got to make it proportionally skinnier, right? I'll show you this part right here. Do you see that? Move my hand so you can see. It's a little bit skinnier, as you see. So it depends on which one fits your wrist. Okay, well, here are my thoughts. You know, it really depends. People think bigger is better. No, that's not true. From having sold thousands of watches, I know that bigger is not better. What is better is what fits your actual wrist. Now, if your wrist is a big wrist, or you're a big guy, by all means, buy the 41. If you're a smaller guy, or you like watches that are smaller, then you got to go with a 38. You see how the 38 kind of fits my wrist a little bit better? I can't really wear the 41. It's just a little too big. I don't want that. You know, actually, I could wear the 41, but I don't like my watch that big. Me just personally, I don't like to have it all dial. I like to have it a little bit of smaller. You see on the right, it's a little smaller. It fits me a little bit better. That's how I like it. So anyways, if you want to buy this watch, please go to jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.